Howdy guys, welcome to Travels with Travis. I'm Travis and I'm alive in Tucson, and today we are going to be baking cookies in my windshield on one of our hottest days of the year. Welcome in everyone. It is a very hot day today. It is looking to be around 111 according to Apple weather. Right now it's about 106, 107 as of noon. 111 is very hot, and the Southern Arizona Weather Center on Facebook though is calling for a 50% chance to even reach 115 degrees. So that will probably be the hottest day of the year. We probably won't hit this again. We got some 90s next week, so it looks like maybe some of that monsoon moisture hopefully is coming in to bring the temperatures down, get us into the rainy season. However, we are gonna bake some cookies. So I got just some regular Nestle Toll House cookies. I threw 4 of them in the windshield. We're gonna check them every 30 minutes until they are done to see how long it's going to take. If you have a guess of how long it's going to take, put it in the comments down below. My guess is between 3 to 4 hours to be reasonably cooked. Not well done, but you know, medium well. So we'll find out. But in my last video, I did discuss that I was potentially going to do a video where I was going to cook an egg in a cast iron pan. I did do that. I left the cast iron pan on the hill and let it roast in the sun. It got to around 110, 111, and then I cracked the egg in the pan. Pan was too hot to touch, but the egg didn't sizzle. The yolk didn't turn, or the egg white didn't turn like white like it does when you cook it on the pan. And I kind of kept an eye on it, but it just kind of made this yellow yolky mess, and it kind of didn't fully cook, but it got hard. It was just kind of weird. So I decided to abandon that and do the cookies instead. So we're gonna check on the cookies every half hour and see how it goes. All right, cookies are already starting to smell nice in the car, so I'll have a nice scent when I head to work in a few hours, but they've actually kind of come along pretty well. I'm looking at them and I'm like, they've already kind of flattened from the squares to this. Also, don't judge me when it comes to my cookie pan, because yes, I know it's like that brown, nasty cookie pan. It is far from the silver it was. Everybody has the same kind of cookie sheet in their house, so no judging. But honestly, my guess of 3 to 4 hours might be wrong. It might only take like an hour or two at this rate. In the car, with it being around 112, like the car could be like 140 to 150 degrees easy. They're coming along quite well, so we'll check them again in 30 minutes and see where we're at. Alrighty guys, it has been about an hour since the cookies have been chilling in my windshield, and honestly they're almost done. I'm actually kind of surprised. I expected a little bit longer, but it is about 110 right now, so we haven't reached the peak of the day. But I'm guessing within the next 30 minutes, they're probably going to be done. Like I said, I'm going for kind of a medium well cook, a little less of the doughiness and the texture, even though I like them that way. But that's all right. We're going for fully cooked, but yeah, they're almost done. So think about it. If you can bake cookies in your windshield, save you a lot of electricity from running your oven. Plus, it heats up your kitchen. And when it's hot out, you don't like that. So we'll check it again in half an hour, but honestly, I think they're going to be done. Boy howdy, it is hot out here. So it's been around an hour and a half. It is definitely 110 to 111. These bad boys are done. So, well, there it goes. Hour and a half to bake some cookies in your car. Not bad. So if you live in Southern Arizona, just start tossing your food in your car. Save you the electricity bill. Last order of business though is the taste test. Let's see if they taste as good as they do in the oven. Definitely very good, just like baking them inside, but these are baked with love in the Arizona heat. So, anyways guys, thanks for joining me on this little baking cookie adventure. Just a short little video. Kind of funny though that you can just bake food in your windshield. It's that dang hot here. Anyways guys, thanks for having fun with me. See you next time on another Arizona adventure. Travels with Travis, I'm alive in Tucson. Oh, excuse me. We'll see you next time.